This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting the guesswork. Confirm the charger and battery first, because most sudden shutdowns are power-related. Once done, inspect vents and fans quickly. Dust causes overheating and instant power-offs. Next, reboot into BIOS or UEFI to check battery health and disable fast boot features that mask issues. Make sure to test with and without the battery if removable, and note any error LEDs or beep codes. They pinpoint hardware versus software causes. Now focus on the operating system. Open Event Viewer or System Logs and look for critical shutdown error codes and exact timestamps to correlate with actions or apps. Once identified, update BIOS and chipset drivers using the manufacturer's updater, and refresh GPU and power management drivers. Outdated firmware often triggers shutdowns. If the problem persists, perform a clean boot or start in safe mode to isolate third-party software or services. Finish by confirming hardware integrity. Run manufacturer power diagnostics and test with a known good battery or adapter. If temperatures are high, replace thermal paste and reset RAM and SSD to rule out intermittent shorts. Once hardware is verified, restore system stability with a system restore point or clean OS reinstall if drivers and updates didn't solve it. If nothing changes, take the laptop to a qualified repair shop. One tip: always back up before major repairs so you can recover if a hardware swap triggers data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.